Hi, I'm Chef Don McMillan. Of course, it's about pineapples. Look, I just pulled this tag off of here, and I was reading it. Of course, we know that they tell you what countries they come from, and this one came from Costa Rica in Central America, where a lot of wonderful tropical fruits come from. But guess where their office is? Their office is in Monaco. Now, Monaco is like the richest country in the world. Love to be in Monaco, okay? Even got the address, so you can email them if you want. Hey, with this pineapple, I'm going to show you how we can just pull it apart. Remember to subscribe. We need your subscriptions. Hit us in the comment file, and you can even ring that bell. Just tap onto the bell, okay? So, look, here's our pineapple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. And I want you to see on this paper towel, the juice is actually coming out of the skin of the pineapple. That's when you know you've rolled it correctly, okay? If you haven't, then keep pushing, a little bit more pressure, like that, and just go back and forth. This is going to loosen up the fruit on the inside, so you can pull it from the outside. Also, another thing that would help loosen it up is to bang it. We're making the house shake when we do this. Loosen up. This is part of that hack. This is part of getting that fruity fruit to come out, okay? And then squeeze and look at the juice. When you start seeing that, then you know that it's ready to come on out, right? Very important point. Next thing, how do you take the top off? Well, you hold one end, you hold the other, and you twist. Remember, I have said this before, that when we do this, you actually are going to have another plant in your hand. Watch. Pull this off here and look at underneath there. Roots. Put this in a little bit of water, suspend it with a couple of picks. The roots will come down in about maybe 5 or 6 days. Plant it in some soil. I like sandy soil, and you'll grow another pineapple. Actually, they'll get some flowers. It could take a little while though. Look, you need a lot of patience with pineapples, okay? But now that we've done that, the next thing we want to do is to loosen up the fruit and pull it out. All right, it's going to take a little bit of pulling, especially get that first one. You got to really work it in there, and if you got longer nails, it works a little bit easier. And there's that piece. Another one. Look at that. Let's go here on the other side. I think pull another one out. All right, let's get another piece out. Look at that. Okay, now you know how to work a pineapple. Take a piece out, put it in a plastic bag because it is juicy. Put it in your refrigerator, and then you've got pull-apart pineapples. Being a hit at your next party. A lot of fun. Look, please subscribe. We've got so much more to offer you, and of course, we want you to make some comments. Let me know what you think about this hack. Okay, and it's really nice to be doing a variety of different things because we have so much to share. And in my particular trade with the food service, it's never ending. So thank you very much, and remember, with all of our recipes, they're simple and delicious. Well, I have my beautiful daughter-in-law Lori back, and she's got a friend, a new friend. Who's our friend?
This is Daisy.
Hey, Daisy.
We adopted her almost 2 weeks ago, yesterday, and then she's going to have an official 𝐥𝐤𝐬 Day next week. And she's going to be starring in some of our videos for all of you that are animal lovers like we are. And she's going to be doing some of our special taste testing too. And
she's been doing a lot of that, hasn't she?
Yes. She likes to stand around for anything that might fall on the floor while we're doing our videos. Of course, we make sure that she doesn't get anything that's not dog friendly. And we're also going to be in the future making some videos for dog food and dog treats.
She's our official, unofficial taster, huh?
That's right.
Right. Yes. Well, talk about tasting, Lori. I know you love pineapples. Try that little hack that I just did.
Okay.
Try a little bit of that.
You want to get a good slice?
Pick out a nice slice, yeah. All right. Oh, look at that. Pineapple. For you pineapple lovers in you. And also, if you love our aprons, we're going to show you how you can get one of these aprons. What you got to do is you got to subscribe. Put it in the comments. Let us know that you subscribe. And for every 50th subscriber, hey, you're going to get an apron. We'll send it to you anywhere in the world. We were talking about Mauritius in our previous video. If you live in Mauritius, we'll send it there as well. So we want to thank you for subscribing. We want to also thank you for being with us on Patreon, because we're going to offer exclusive content, early access, and behind the scenes action, like with Daisy, right?
That's right.
We're going to have some Daisy action in there. So you got, and we're going to show it to you all without any ads. So we really appreciate, and remember that all of our recipes are absolutely simple and
Delicious.
delicious. Yes, woo, woo, delicious.